Well, we're here at the world of James Herriot, and Pauline has found a model railway with a pug. No, the blue diesel is not working, unfortunately, which is such a shame for Pauline, being a fan of blue diesels, obviously. We found a little cutie. And as it's James Herriot's, we have cows. Building work going on with a HST. Lots of lambs, little stream, a tunnel, the white horse on it.
That's the Ford.
Yeah, where is the Ford? Oh, maybe out of the tunnel.
Half in the hill.
Yeah, there's a vehicles.
Sorry, the half in the hill.
Yep, an old Hornby station. Class 26 over there. Oh, and the bus. Darrowby United. Obviously Darrowby's round here.